Hello guys, Art-Teeves here. This is the second part of my stylized Rustcrawler Robot modeling series. In this part, I'll show you the process of texturing this guy in Substance Painter. Let's get started. I start baking by setting the highest amount of rays on all tabs, disabling the ID section, and going for subsampling of 16. This may be an overkill, however, usually 4 is enough. Also, my texture padding was set to 16. I start texturing by creating a general folder that holds multiple versions of our main material, in my case, steel painted worn preset map. I apply a black mask to the entire folder, and also add some smart masks to all secondary materials I create. I really enjoy Art-Teeves preset smart mask. After applying it, I play around with its settings and base color of that secondary material. I apply some kind of gradient by utilizing Dirt Ground preset smart mask. Finally, I mask my master folder and polygon fill all model elements that are related to it. At this point, you may want to use a copy of that folder that is either a lot more rusty or dark to paint hands and legs of your robot. Then I apply 3 different versions of a default rubber tri material to 3 different wires. Our robot is old and weathered. Make sure to avoid bright vivid colors, replacing them with dusty weathered materials. This will make texturing process much easier. For Rustcrawler's eyes, I use a modified version of glossy plastic. Also enable emission channel and add some emission to all corresponding layers. If you want some dust to stay noticeable on an emissive surface, you'll need to give it some kind of dark emission. For the base eye color, I aim for a hauntingly lifeless look. Don't forget to add some basic color to your model's eyes. It may be necessary should you want to disable emission at some point. I create eyelids by masking a fill layer and painting them over a mask after switching to orthographic projection. Finally, I create a fixed paint layer designed to cover seams. I set its blending options to pass through on all tabs and use the clone stamp tool to mask all seams. Thanks for watching, guys. If you got any value from this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel for more stylized content. And most importantly, have a great day!